So the Inland Empire Utility Agency Trades Intern Program was really a program that was designed to bring trade school, college graduates, folks maybe coming into a second career. I want to bring them into our industry and provide them with an opportunity to have value-added work, be engaged in the industry that we're in, and really put their hands on the equipment, the process, and learn what it takes to be a tradesman in the water industry.
My role with the Inland Empire Utilities Agency, I'm part of the new trades internship program. So I have the opportunity to take part in each of the departments. So I work with collections, electrical and instrumentation, mechanical maintenance, and operations. So it gives me an opportunity to see everything and choose where I want to go based on my education or based where I feel is my strong suit.
Oftentimes people coming into a new career are faced with the dilemma that without experience they can't get the job, or without the job they can't gain experience. And so we provide an opportunity to fill that gap. We also have to look to our future. So we have a lot of employees who are getting to that time in their life where it's time to retire, and we need to be able to fill that gap, but not with people that are fresh and have no idea what they're getting themselves into.
It's a great program. I've learned a lot. I learn every day. I get to learn from real operators at a real facility, and it's a lot different than school. You get to learn the real deal here.
I've had a fantastic experience with all operators here at IEUA. They were fantastic training, very patient, understanding, encouraging. And if it wasn't for operators, supervisors, and fellow cohorts, I wouldn't have gotten this far or been this successful. So I'm really grateful for that.
The trades program at IEUA brought me in as a high school graduate. I came into this program uncertified. I am now a certified operator in the state of California, and I plan to go as far as I can. After completing this trades program, I was offered a position at every agency that I interviewed at. And luckily, IEUA was one of them. I was able to come on and work with the men who I trained with.
The program's been very successful. So Inland Empire Utility Agency has hired a number of trades interns who've come out of the program. They've completed their 1,800 qualifying hours. They've achieved industry certification. They've learned lots of hands-on job training skills. And because of the trades program, they are much more well equipped for a new position. They have the certifications, they have industry understanding, and they're ready to be employed.